Here comes the fireworks. Let's go. Come on. Oh, and we'll have a bonfire. It's very big. Oh, it's hurt my eyeballs. It's taking a while. We might have to like stand back a bit to point it in the sky. Come on!
It's nearly finished. As you can there's loads of other fireworks.
Yeah, there's like loads of other people. Come on! Just been sitting there for about 5 hours, like, eh.
It's nearly done.
Right, here it goes, here it goes.
Here it goes. You ready?
It's just a fountain. If I was gonna go up, I was getting ready to do that. Get out of the way then.
The people that you
We'll have Kayla with us. At the moment, you don't know who she is yet. Oh, it's dead now. We'll come back when there's more.
Yeah.
Guys, this is Kayla. She might be joined with us sometimes.
Hi.
That's a
We're
beautiful
going to do
bonfire.
some videos on my smart camera. It's a Fujifilm. Oh. Oh!
Right, so we'll see you when there's more fireworks. Go! Hit that floor, baby! Right, okay, right, we'll finish. Oh, they're setting more fireworks off! Break them.
Stop! Are you ready?
Whee!
Ready, video it.
Shake it up, shake it up.
I didn't see this loads of times.
I'm not here on my feet.
Go.
They don't see it. Ooh! That was so loud.
Bitch dog, girl.
Dancing on my own.
Do you want to fight? Come at me, bitch. Come at me.
Stop! No, look, it's setting off fireworks. That was the whole
Video.
reason of this video.
Video.
Are these big ones, or is it staying in the same place? Here it goes! Fountain! Yay!
A creepy fountain.
The grass.
Fireworks!
The grass was on.
Shimmy, shimmy,
Hey, baby. I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it up. Oh. It's gonna break. Fake. I'm just... Right, that was the first one. Wait for a couple more.